Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have the surprise announcement. It has been announced, and I'm about to tell y'all what it is. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button, make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload, and you won't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was the BoxyCharm pop-up spoilers for February. Congratulations, Laura Jane Loves Beauty. Laura says, hey, Miss Lady. Well, hey, Laura. Honey, how are you doing? It is good to see you down in the comments. I really appreciate that so much. Thank you, girl. I love you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and dive into this madness. So in the video I put out this morning, it showed an Instagram post from Joe saying that he had a big announcement for today, and it was something that was going to be breaking the rules for one of the March boxes. Well, now we know what it is, guys. So he finally just announced, y'all, that the BoxyCharm Premium March box will be all items from one brand. What brand is that, you may ask? Well, guys, it's Fenty Beauty. You're going to get 6 items from Fenty Beauty. Now, here are all the items that I have seen on BoxyCharm, any one of their Instagrams at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek, BoxyCharm News. So these could be possibly all the items going to be in that box. Also, now he did mention in that post that there will be an eyeshadow palette. So, what y'all think? Which palette do y'all think it's going to be? But anyways, guys, I'm going to show you this message from Joe.
Okay, guys, sneak peek, but this is a special sneak peek. This is not for February. This is actually for March. We're going to skip a little bit. This is premium in March, but this premium is going to be different. See, premium is a new program for us, which we decided to break our own rules with what we've done. Up until now, we've been mixing different brands, different categories. Over here, it's pretty much all color cosmetics, and it's going to be one brand. It's exclusive for one brand. I was asked not to tell you the name of the brand yet, so instead of that, I'll hack the system and I'll just show you the packaging inside. Don't tell them the brand, so they don't blame me for revealing the brand. I didn't say anything, nothing. Now you know the brand. 6 items in the box, okay? $35 value. This is a premium program. This time, the value of this box will be $143. It's all this brand that I just showed you. It's going to include quite a few things. I will reveal it's going to have an eyeshadow palette. It's going to have cool stuff. Alright, we'll reveal this as time goes by. March, premium. Put it on your calendar. If you're not part of this, go and join now. Tell your friends to hurry up if they're not on the waitlist, because it's not going to last. But by then, I believe we'll be able to remove anyone that was on the waitlist and couldn't get in.
So again, guys, what do y'all think? Are y'all excited? Do y'all like Fenty Beauty? Have you ever tried it? Let me know down in the comments. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations. Krista, is it Nosek? I hope I said that right, Krista. Anyways, Krista says, hey, doll. Well, hey, Krista. Honey, how are you doing? I really appreciate you taking the time to come and watch this video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, well, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. And guys, again, I wanted to take this moment to thank a couple of people that have helped me out. They've donated to my PayPal due to some unforeseen events. And again, I'm trying to get that video edited and put out. That way, I answer a bunch of questions y'all have. But thank you so much to Maria, Lindsay, also Amanda and Steve. You guys have no idea how much that helps out, and I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. I'm so grateful for y'all. I don't know what I'd do without y'all. Love you guys.